It's my first track day here at USAIR in Wisconsin, and today I brought my built V8 Audi A4 with me. So far, I've done autocross, I've done ice racing, but this is my first designated track day. So I'm excited to try that out for the first time. Specifically today, they're doing what's called HPDE, which stands for high density polyethylene.
No, it doesn't.
What?
No, it does not.
Are you sure?
Positive.
Okay. It stands for high performance driving experience. I think that's it. High performance driving education. And it's essentially a lapping day that's focused on driver education. It's here to give you a lot of seat time and make you a better driver. Autocross is fun, but you only get a limited amount of time to drive, and you don't really get to go that fast, so I'm kind of looking forward to hopefully going a little bit faster and getting more seat time. I'm clearly still a novice, so I have a lot to learn, but I am looking forward to getting to know the car better and getting to drive better. So hopefully by the end of the day, if the car cooperates, I'll come out as a better driver, but we'll see. But yeah, let's get on track.
I'll probably go similarly slow. Do we just go, or what?
Yeah.
Okay. This is a little more nerve-wracking than autocross. I've never done point-by stuff. So for these first couple laps, I'm just going to bring you guys along for it. I've seen your comments, and I've seen that some of you don't like music. So we'll go without music. Say this track is like a roller coaster. They're lying.
Okay, the music is back. And it's voiceover time. For this event, we're given 4 separate 15-minute sessions on track. That's a whole hour of track time. Not bad. Which is why I went a little slowly at the start, just to shake the nerves off a little bit, because I know I've got plenty of time left. And while it was a slow start, it didn't take long for me to start testing the car's limits a bit. It's right about here that I stopped being terrified and began really having fun. The car is cooperating, and I haven't gotten even close to going off track, which is nice. So it's time to really push things. Like using the rumble strips a little more to my advantage in an effort to stay in it, and lay off the brakes a bit. Because this track is quite abusive to brake pads. And with every lap, I'm getting faster and faster and just having more and more fun. I've never driven my car this hard for this long, and it is an absolute blast. Plus, the car hasn't let me down, so I think I can make it through the day without something breaking.
Uh-oh.
I spoke too soon. That hissing you're hearing is from a burst air line to my air tank for my air suspension. I recently relocated it underneath my rear bumper, but failed to account for the effect my exhaust might have on it. Okay, I think it's here. The line is like super malleable. Normally it's like hard. I wonder if it's heat from your exhaust. I bet that's it. Yeah. Somebody didn't think ahead. Thankfully, my brother Evan brought an extra heat-wrapped PCV hose that he graciously donated to the cause for me to put around the repaired airline.
I really hope my hose doesn't break now.
Oh, it will now. You know, I jinxed myself by saying, as long as the car is okay, as long as nothing breaks. But you know, if anything else were to happen, like, this is probably the best thing to break, because it still can ride. So if it happens again, I might just run it. Because, I mean, the bags still have air in them. With the car successfully repaired and the air tank full, I'm ready for my second session. And with the practice of the first session under my belt, I'm ready to send it. I just want to go fast. So this car is most well known for the turbo setup I installed back in 2020. But what's really shining today are the big brakes, solid rear sway bar, and sticky tires. Well, sticky for now. Up to this point, I hate to use the expression, but it drives like it's on rails. And I've even accidentally gotten the rear end to kick out a little bit, which is pretty rare on a nose-heavy Audi. Unfortunately, as I continue lapping, driving harder each time around, that grip is starting to fade. And I'm starting to feel the all too familiar Audi understeer. With new tires and suspension components, it is a bit frustrating, but it turns out that ripping a heavy car around a curvy track with street tires does not bode well for their longevity. So I've learned to just work around it and experiment with how I'm approaching these corners to the best of my ability, albeit with limited grip. By my third session, I'm allowed a passenger, so I must have been doing something right. I brought my friend Ian along, who's been helping me film all the exterior shots of the car today. Like this one. Or this one. But this ride along was sort of short-lived, as the roller coaster claims another victim.
Can you take it in to the left?
Do you want me to go
One more.
One more? Okay. Getting nauseous?
Oh, yeah.
puke.
Holy shit, yeah.
Drop it here.
I truly cannot express enough how freaking fun these 4 sessions have been. I have never pushed any car this hard before, and being able to just continuously lap this track without worrying about times and just improve my driving abilities has been incredibly beneficial and exhilarating. I didn't really know it until today, but I think this is exactly what I built this car for. I've still got plenty to learn, but that just means I have more track days to look forward to. The best part, though, definitely has to be passing Evan multiple times. That doesn't look like a pointer finger.
Well, nothing broke. Yep.
So I did a lot of laps. I did 4 different sessions, 15-minute sessions. I don't know how many laps that equates to, but it's easily the most fun I've ever had in a car that I own, and I can't wait to come back out. They're having fun too. I can't wait to come back out and do it again. I was so stressed when I got here and so nervous before I got on track that it was just an incredible experience. I'm so glad that the car is in one piece. I need to mess with my air system a little bit, and I went through tires a lot faster than I thought I would, but yeah, it is a blast, and yeah, I can't wait to do more high density polyethylene events again. So thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Hopefully the audio worked out.